Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Blurry on the application of DoorDash. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about DoorDash and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and you are watching.